Hey everybody, how are you? Today we're going to be doing another Retrobrite video. This time we're going to be doing another thing in my RV. As you can tell, I have some yellowing vents. That one's a little whiter, but still yellow. And then we have the other two back here. Don't mind those lights, I'm changing them also. But we're going to do those, and we're going to do a little bit of retrobriting. So stay tuned, and we'll see how they come out. Thank you very much. And now we're going to start by taking these vents out. Very simple. Don't put them on anything, you might lose them. Well, whoop. Don't drop them, as you can tell. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you what you can do with the Retrobrite. Don't want to make the crack worse. We'll CA glue this as well. Okay, and now, real simple part of it, we're going to clean it. Let's fill up our sink with a little bit of water, a little bit of soap. You can see the before and after. I mean, it's not before and after, I'm sorry. This is before. This is what the plastic was, so we're going to, maybe it'll get a little whiter than that. Who knows, but we're still going to do both sides because of the flaps. You could spray paint these, which I've done in the past, but the problem with the spray painting is the spray painting just chips off. Granted, it's never touched, so yeah, it's really not that much of an issue with it, but it's still an issue that paint over time, it doesn't match the original parts of the plastic that you're surrounding. So you can paint it, but the problem with painting, you have to paint everything. So with this, we're going to be restoring one thing at a time. Just get a quick cleaning, nooks and crannies. And as you can tell, cleaning it doesn't make it better. This is truly yellowed plastic. You know, and as plastics get yellow, they get more brittle. Now on to the retrobriting. Okay, and now, once again, here's our Retrobrite product. Great for retrobriting. It hasn't let me down yet, so I'm going to take it. Before I'm going to do it, I'm going to shake it up. I don't have to shake it much. I've been shaking it a lot lately. We're going to take it, pour it on our product. Oop. It does say to wear gloves, but it's just hydrogen peroxide and stuff in it. Get it all wet it, because even though it's not, the sun will be on the top of it, it will still, heat will still generate for the bottom. Take one, put it in. I personally like to do a lot of game consoles because they have value to them down the road. Seal this one up. Make sure the bag is sealed. Wash off my hands. You know, you use these brushes for a while, but after a couple weeks, the bristles will start to fall out. So, yeah, you buy a few, you use them, change them. There you are, your Retrobrite. Everything's prepped. Let's go put it in the sun. All right, we're going to take all the bags. And you can go outside, but you're going to notice that, you know, not everybody lives in a warm climate. I'm in Florida right now, so it makes it easier, but I was just doing this in New Jersey in the cold. And what you got to do is just find a hot spot in your house. If you have a southern exposure area, you can sit there and you can take those and you can put them anywhere where the sun is beating in through the window. And glass loves to intensify it, so just take it and let it go. I like to put it on my dashboard in my RV, even though it's warm outside. As you can see, it's outside, but yeah, I'm not gonna really show you much out there. It's just what you've seen before. But let it sit in the sun. We're gonna give it about 4 to 6 hours, and then we'll check it back. Okay, yes, everybody, it's Randy once again with the Retrobrite. It's been 2 days. We've had a lot of cloudy weather here. I'm about to show you what they look like. They're all done, they're all white. And sure enough, here they are. All ready to go. And what a difference from before already. It's real simple. Get them in a sink. I gotta tell you, I gotta give my hats off to this Retro-Brite. I know I keep complimenting them, but you got to when a product is good. I mean, look at it. This thing looks great. Even the bottom's whitened up. So, as far as time goes, I want to say these took at least 8 to 10 hours. With the cloudiness I've had here, over the last 2 days we've had storms, but total sunlight was probably a good 10 hours. After about 6, they were whiter, but the white one that we had in here was whiter than the others. And it took a little while for it to even out. Now that these are done, I'm going to dry them. I'm going to glue them. I'm not going to glue them on camera with the CA glue. No reason to. And I'll restart once I start hanging them. Okay, at this time we are going to be putting them back up. So I got these. I'm going to make it so the vents all point down. You get it all lined up, even though the vents can be spun. Got one there. Line the holes up. You know, we stay in this RV for about 3 months out of the year. We're snowbirds. And when I come down here, I have such ADD that I have to do things. There's a lot of renovations I'm doing to this RV. I'm not really showing a lot of them on video. It's just my channel's confusing enough. I do a lot of game console repair. I build RC cars. I don't think it's going to be the same audience that watches everything. So I'm trying to stick to one thing with one audience. I did change all these lights out in the front, which was interesting. I should have did a video on it because I had to, there's not many lights, so I had to put a 110 light. Okay, and that's that.